So, Aadit, how was your experience? You're standing in Bitkart studio.
Yeah, my experience was fantastic spending the day here. It was a really nice one.
Right.
The staff is very friendly and they are very professional. The engineers.
And where did you come to know about Bitkart?
I came to know about Bitkart through a YouTube video.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've chosen, I think I must congratulate you, you've chosen a very nice configuration.
Thank you.
And we promise through this video to Aadit that we'll give him an on-site service for 3 years. Any feedback you'd like to give it to our audience? Anything?
I would recommend Bitkart to everyone out there because they have the best professionals, the best engineers who build this PC.
And for what purpose have you bought this machine?
I've built this PC for 3D modeling, rendering.
That's good. So guys, Aditya bought this PC for 3D modeling, plus naturally I think he'll do gaming as well. So we'd like to bless him and give him all the wishes that we have here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you Aditya for buying PC from Bitkart.
Thank you.